Good morning students, welcome back to second year physics. So in this second year physics, in the previous class actually we finished about a related to the torque and work dones. Now let us, on the basis of that, that we need to do the problems, so that in this related problems torque and work, so the page number 249, question number is 8.3. Question number is 8.3. Everyone read question. So the question is, a short bar magnet placed with its axis at a 30 degree. So the question given, everyone read carefully. The what is given you write. With a uniform external magnetic field capital B 0.25 Tesla experiences a torque of magnitude equal to is equal to, there will be a torque is given 4.5 into 10 power minus 2 joules, or we can say Newton meter. What is the magnitude of magnetic moment? Capital M is asking, of course. Simple problem it is, because we know torque is nothing but it is mb sin theta, right? Here theta is there, b is there, tau is there, and is asking capital M. So that you write as 4.5 into 10 power minus 2 is equal to capital M. Actually we need to get capital B is 0.25 sin 30, right? So 4.5 into 10 power minus 2 is equal to capital M into 0.25 into sin 30 is 1 by 2. Right? Here we can do like this. Capital M is equal to, we need to find 4.5 into 10 power minus 2 into 2, cross multiply this, and here also 0.25 Tesla, right? Better we'll do like this. Capital M is equal to 45, it is 10 power minus 3, we can say, into 2 by 25 into 100. Shall I? Yes, of course. So these two zeros are cancelled, and here we can say M is equal to 90 by 25 into 10 power minus 1, cancel it, capital M is equal to 9 by 25. See, this is will be like it is 9 by 25, approximately we may get it is 0.36. So that it is 0.36 ampere meter square it is. This is the 8.3 question, page number 249. Right? So the same way, 8.4, look at 8.4. So question number 8.4. Look at question number 8.4. Read everyone question. Same page number 8.4. So write first given data. The given is what? Look at everyone, given data. Suppose write a given data first. 8.4. A short bar magnet of magnetic moment capital M is given as 0.32 joule per Tesla, that is we can also call ampere per meter square, is placed in the uniform magnetic field. Capital B is given 0.15 Tesla. The bar is free to rotate in the plane of the field. Which orientation would correspond to its first one? Stable. Yes, of course. We know stable is the question number is asking. First one, stable. Stable in the sense is theta is 0. And second, unstable, of course theta is 180. What is the potential energy of the moment in these cases? Is asking potential energy. So we know potential energy relation is, we can say U is equal to, it is mb cos theta minus. Clear? Now first one you go for the stable, no? That is theta is 0, capital M is given as 0.32, B is given as a 0.15. So U is equal to 0.32 into 0.15 into cos 0. 0.32 into 0.15, right? Cos 0 is 1, no? So u is equal to 32 into 15 by 100 into 100, that may be 10 power 4. So 32 into 15 into 10 power minus 4, right? So you may simplify this. Approximately we may get, it is a 532 into 15, no? So 10 1, 5 3 is a 15, 16 1, 2 3 4, so that it is 0 9 4. So 490 into 10 power minus 4, maybe 49 into 10 power minus 3 is the joule. This is for stable ion. This is for stable. We'll move to the unstable. That is, we say theta is equal to 180 you take. So that theta is 180, no? Therefore u is equal to mb minus cos 180. Of course we can take directly this mb, no? So that here minus 180 is a minus 1, no? It becomes becomes what? Of course here we'll get minus, no? I'm sorry to say, this is will be minus, no? So here it is will be, everything is same, but it is what happens, minus m into 0.3 into b 0.1 cos 180 will be minus 1. So that it is minus of minus becomes plus. So this answer is, everything is same, 49 into 10 power minus 3, that is joules. Plus it is, that's all. One is minus, one more is the plus. One is the stable, one more is the unstable. The question is related to like this, right? Right, next one. In the same way, like for 8.5. Same page number 8.5. Question number 8.5. Yes, 8.5. Read question. A closely wounded solenoid of 800 turns. Yes, there will be a number of turns are given. 800 turns. Area of cross section is given. Capital A is equal to 2.5 into 10 power minus 4 meter square. Carries a current of I is equal to 3 ampere. Explain the sense in which the solenoid act like a bar magnet. What is its associated the magnetic moment? Of course is asking magnetic moment. If it is associated when the current is carrying, therefore there will be a field is produces. When field produces is nothing but what we can say, that is the associated the magnetic moment. Is asking just magnetic moment, no? Capital M is asking, of course we know capital M is equal to, it is NIA. N will be given 800, A is given, I is given 3, A is given as 2.5 into 10 power minus 4. So zeros are cancelled, so that here 8 3s are 24 into 2.5 into 10 power minus 2, because 2 zeros are cancelled, no? So that here 24 into 25 into 10 power minus 3, because their point is there, no? Therefore this power will rise as 1. Suppose you multiply 24 into 25, you will get the answer. See, 5 4s 20, 5 2s are 10, and it is 12, 2 4s are 8, and it is 4. So 0, 10, it is maybe 6. So 600 into 10 power minus 3, approximately we can say 0.6 ampere meter square. This is the magnetic moment is associated. Magnetic moment is associated with the solenoid it is. Isn't okay? Right. Like that you look at the next question, 8.6. 8.6. Please read the question and get the answer. 8.6. If the solenoid in exercise 8.5 free to turn about the vertical direction and a uniform horizontal magnetic field of B 0.25 Tesla is applied. What is the magnitude of torque on the solenoid when its axis makes an angle 30 degree with the direction of applied field? See, we should take the magnetic moment from the 8.5 because the question only given is if the solenoid in exercise is 8.5. That means the magnetic moment we should take from the above problem 8.5. So from that 8.5 magnetic moment is 0.6, it is ampere meter square, right? And there will be a capital B which is suspended in the field is I think it is to 0.25 Tesla. So this is suspended and it is making an angle 30 degree, is asking torque. Yes, everyone know torque relation because torque is acting mb sin theta. Therefore torque is equal to m is 0.6, b is 0.25 and sin 30 it is. Of course we know sin 30 is nothing but a 1 by 2. So 6 by 10, 25 by 100 and it is 1 by 2. So 2 ones, 2 threes, 25 ones, 25 fours. So torque is equal to 3 by 40. So that here you take a you divide 3 with 40. See, approximately we may get 0.075 Newton meter. Clear? Yes. So there is another problem is there which is related to the same, that is about a 8.7. Read 8.7. Read and write given data. Read and write given data. 8.7. So look at a bar magnet of magnetic moment is 1.5 joule per Tesla lies aligned with the direction of a uniform magnetic field of 0.22 Tesla. 0.22 Tesla. What is the amount of work required by an external torque to turn the magnet as it aligns its magnetic moment? This is the first question. And second, normal to the field direction and opposite to the field direction, what is the torque on the magnet in case 1 and case 2? So let us, first of all, you write a given data. So the magnetic moment is given capital M, 1.5 joule per Tesla, or we can also say ampere per meter square it is. Aligns with the direction of a uniform, it is in the direction of uniform magnetic field. That means the magnet and the B are in the same direction. There will be a field is given 0.22 Tesla. Now in this first one is asking what is the amount of work done required by an external torque to turn the magnet so as it act aligns to its magnetic moment. So there will be a theta is given as first case, you say theta is 0 because which is parallel, no? And the second is asking there is a theta 1, it is a theta 2 is 90 because which is perpendicular work done to turn the magnet. Therefore work done is equal to mb into, it is cos theta 1 minus cos theta 2, right? So that here you write work done is equal to mb into cos theta 1. Theta 1 will be, it is given as you say cos theta 1 is 0 and minus cos theta 90. So that work done is equal to mb it is. So that work done is equal to mb. M is 1.5, b is 0.22. So you simplify this. It is a 15 by 10 into 22 by 100. So that it is 5 2s, 5 3s. So that work done is equal to 66 by 200. So we simplify this, maybe it is 0.33 joules. Clear? Now second, to get the second, so what is given? Magnetic moment. The question is normal to the field direction, right? So that here second one is given opposite to the field direction. Opposite to the field direction. So theta 1 is 0 as usual it is opposite, no? That mean here the magnet is rotates in complete in opposite direction. See, initially it is like this, no? Now it is rotated like this will come, this B and it is the B, which are in opposite direction. Again you take work done is equal to MB cos theta 1 minus cos theta 2. So theta 1 is 0, of course MB into theta 1 0, it is cos 180. So we may get the work done is equal to, it is MB cos 0 is 1 minus of minus 1 again. So MB already we know, that is, or you say again you want to write 1.5 into 0.22 into it is 2. So you directly write a 33 into 2, no? Therefore it is 0.66 joules, right? Now is also asking torque. Next one in this, what is the torque on the magnet in case 1 and case 2? Both in case 1 and case 2, because case 1 is theta is 90, theta 2 is the case 2 is 180. You get theta 1 90 you take and theta 2 180, then find the torque. Just do it everyone, please do it. Theta 190, that is theta is 1 in one case you take as 90 you take, second 180 you take, and find a torque. Right. So first case, you say theta 1 90 you take, then torque is equal to MB sin 90. Of course it is maximum M, we know M is 1.5 and B is 0.2, so that the torque will get, so it is 1.5 into 0.22, no? It is approximately 0.33 Newton meter. Okay. And the second case, theta is 180 you take, therefore torque is equal to MB into sin 180. Of course it is 0. Torque is on the is 0. Clear? Yeah. So the next problem, almost it is the last problem related to the torque. So I would like to tell you last problem it is. So 8.8. 8.8. Question number 8.8. Look at the question. The given you write first. So the question is, a closely wounded solenoid of 2000 turns. You give as number 2000 turns are given. Area of cross section is given. 1.6 into 10 power minus 4 meter square area, carrying a current of 4 ampere, is suspended through its center, allowing it to turn a horizontal plane. What is the magnetic moment associated with the solenoid? First one, magnetic moment is asking, of course we know. Second, what is the force and the torque of the solenoid in a uniform magnetic field? Is asking second one. What is the torque? What is the force of torque, right? And solenoid, if a uniform magnetic field induction, this is in the solenoid is placed in the 7.5 into 10 power minus 2 Tesla. Set up an angle of 30 degree with the axis of the solenoid, of course. So to go for the first one, is asking magnetic moment, no? So that here capital M is equal to NIA. It is very simple. Now N is given as 2000, which carrying a current is 4 into area is 1.6 into 10 power minus 4, of course. It is 3 zeros are cancelled. 8 into 16 by 10 into 10 power minus 1, right? So that here we can say 8 into 16 8 ja. 16 8 ja is, it is we can write as 16, of course it is Clear, no? 4 into, okay. So it may be 128 into 10 power minus 2. Clear? This is will be what? It is, we can say, or we can say it is a magnetic moment, no? Capital M is equal to 1.28 ampere meter square it is. This is about a magnetic moment. And come to the point is also asking torque. Second, tau is equal to mb sin theta. So we know m, and we know the field is given 7.5 into 10 power minus 2, and the angle is given 30 degree. So that better you substitute this all values here, get torque. Capital M is 1.28, B is 7.5 into 10 power minus 2 into sin 30. Here 128 by 100 into 75 by 10 into 10 power minus 2 sin like this. So this is 2 ones, 2 6 4 64 into 75 into 10 power this 10 power 3 will come up, no? Therefore 10 power minus 5. 64 into 75 you do 5 4s are 20, 5 6s are 32 it is, 7 4s are 28. So 7 42 and 44 it is. So maybe 0 10 1 8 48. So it is 4800 into 10 power minus 5. So maybe torque is equal to 48 into 10 power minus 3, 0.048 Newton meter. So this like this we have the problems on the basis of related to the torque and work done and potential energies. Torque, work done and potential energy related problems. See, it is about these questions, right? And you go through these all questions and you practice it. Ultimately these questions are again there in the next chapters also, because these 3 chapters are interlinked. See, moving charge and magnetism, magnetism and matter, and the next chapter is electromagnetic induction. These 3 are interrelated. Interrelations are there. That's what the problems will come again in the next chapter also, same problems and same based on the same formulas. That's what you remember, this all formulas again and again will come in the next chapter, no? That's what I am saying, so that these problems you practice it. Definitely these questions help you in the next chapter. Clear? Now let us see if we'll see if any problem is there. On the basis of this we'll do it, otherwise I'll close it. If any another problem, if it is there, then we'll do it. Of course there is no problems on the basis of this, so this all are over. Suppose if anyone want to do it, you want to do, then you do from additional exercise also, no problem. So that this is the today's class. In the next class I'll say about we'll discuss in the next class. It is about a time period of oscillation of a needle or magnet. So the magnet is suspended in the uniform magnetic field, therefore that may oscillates, no? So that there we need to find a time period. So that we'll see in the next class. Thank you very much.